Hi guys, just recently one of the traders who is subscribed to my channel shared his achievements. The screenshot is in front of you on the screen. He started with $50 and reached the coolest result, 58,000. How? He used a unique robot assistant for trading, which scans the market and gives detailed reports on indicators and signals. By the way, you can get the bot called FixProfit for free right now. The link is in the description. In a month you will be able to do it only for a fee. Hurry up! And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell to not miss new interesting videos and offers. Put a like and comment, I appreciate it. And now I'm going to start work. I'm getting a sell signal from the bot. Currency pair Australian dollar, Japanese yen, expiry time 5 minutes. I invested 1% of the amount in my pocket. The periodicity of data updates in the robot is 1 minute. It is convenient, because you can get up-to-date information right during trading. According to historical data, I see a long period of consolidation. I see that bears were saturating the market with volumes quite intensively, but bulls were not lagging behind them. I think that soon the price will reach the local high again and bounce from this zone to the downside, which will create a more powerful momentum that will help me achieve the result. In addition, there is an overbought trend in the market. Guys, pick up the bot for free at the link in the description. Also, you will have access to VIP chat with my predictions, and also you will get a promo code for plus 100% to the deposit. That is, for example, if you deposit $50 you will get $50 bonus. Or, for example, if you deposit $300 then on deposit you will have $600. Promo code works on the first deposit. Trading isn't just a skill, it's a battle. A battle against the market, against uncertainty, and, most importantly, against yourself. Some days, you'll feel like a champion, stacking up wins and riding the wave of success. Other days, the market will humble you, hitting you with loss after loss until you start questioning everything. But here's the truth. Trading isn't about never losing, it's about never quitting. Before we dive into the mindset of resilience, let's lay the foundation of every great trader's success: money management and risk control. Imagine you're a professional fighter stepping into the ring. Would you charge in recklessly, throwing wild punches with no defense? Of course not. You'd protect yourself, pace yourself, and strike with precision. Trading is the same. If you don't protect your capital, you won't last long enough to see success. Here's the golden rule. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account on a single trade. Let's break it down. If you have $1,000 in your account and risk 1%, you're putting just $10 on the line per trade. At 2%, that's $20. It might not seem like much, but this approach keeps you alive in the game. Because let's be real, losing streaks happen. If you're risking too much, just a few bad trades can wipe you out. But when you keep your risk controlled, even a series of losses won't destroy your account or your confidence. You don't need to win every trade. You just need to stay in the game long enough to let your strategy work. So many traders come in with the wrong mindset. They think trading is a get-rich-quick scheme. They see flashy screenshots of insane profits and believe that's how it works. But trading isn't about overnight success, it's about long-term consistency. In the meantime, I earned it. Yes, the bot read the market situation correctly and helped me with an accurate recommendation. FixProfit is a tool with which you will really start earning. Profitability of its signals is 80% on average. Look at the channel with reviews, how much people earn, the link in the description. So, active sold. That's a new signal. I decided to work with the currency pair Swiss franc, Japanese yen, investment, 2% of the deposit. Let's go. Historical data shows me a situation similar to the last trade. A long consolidation, but the bears have become more active in the past few minutes. I think they will get a stronger momentum and will be able to break through the support zone. Attention friends, there is a massive contest on our channel. We will choose 2 winners who will receive $1,000 for one random comment. You can win a great prize by following a few steps. Watch this video from beginning to end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video and write one comment on trading topics. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that only those viewers who watch the video to the end will participate in this contest. Only one message is accepted from one person, which must be thematic. Off-topic comments such as "I want $1,000" will not be allowed to participate. I choose the winners weekly using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests, there I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs. And not only. Here's the uncomfortable truth: you will lose trades. And sometimes, you'll lose a lot of them in a row. But losing doesn't mean failing. Think of a scientist testing a new formula. If one experiment doesn't work, they don't throw everything away and quit. They adjust, they refine, they come back stronger. That's how you need to treat trading. After a loss, ask yourself, did I follow my strategy? Was my risk in check? What can I learn from this? Every loss is feedback. If you listen, adjust, and improve, you're already ahead of 90% of traders who quit too soon. The market doesn't care about your emotions. It doesn't care if you're frustrated, excited, or desperate to recover a loss. The second you let emotions take over, you're finished. Fear makes you hesitate. Greed makes you overtrade. Frustration makes you chase bad setups. The best traders operate like machines. They stick to their strategy, no matter what. They accept losses as part of the process and move on to the next opportunity. So master your emotions, stick to your plan, and remember, your worst enemy in trading isn't the market, it's you. Let me tell you a story. A miner spends weeks digging for gold. The work is exhausting. Day after day, they hit nothing but rock. Frustrated and tired, they quit and walk away. What they don't know is that they were just inches away from striking gold. That's where most traders give up, right before their breakthrough. But not you. You're not here to quit. You're here to win. I just won, guys. 2 successful trades, $2,096. The bot gave me accurate signals. Get it for free at the link in the description and subscribe to our channel. I'll be back to you soon with new thoughts. Bye.